Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I'm here again. And I bet this watermelon is too much. So I'm gonna eat off and I'm gonna juice off, okay? And I'm gonna juice it straight watermelon with just ginger and a lemon. Okay? Alright, let me get started. I'm gonna wash my ginger and also my lemon, and I'll be right back. Wash my ginger, and I'm gonna take out some of these. I'm gonna peel off some. So what I'm doing right now is straight melon juice. Okay, just with ginger and lemon. Thank you all. Thank you very much for your help. Okay? So I'm just gonna do my ginger here. Straight juice. I'm not gonna mix my watermelon. Whoa. Sorry. The ginger is so strong. It makes me cough. Okay. No more. All right, this is my blender. I'm just gonna cut the ginger and put it in my blender first, and then I use the water. And you know, you don't have to use water with the melon, but I'm just gonna use some water. And a little water, that's what's gonna make my juice. So first, you put the ginger in. I have to use a lot of ginger because when you do a little bit of ginger, the juice will taste like ginger and the juice at all. I will do anyhow. I will just do this, okay? I have 2 cups of water. You're just gonna use 1 cup. 1 cup of water. Okay. Here we go. While I stop it, I'm going to put my lemon. I'm going to take out the skin and I'm going to make the lemon blend with the ginger. I don't have to squeeze juice, right? Lemon have a lot of juice. That's why I'm using only 1. See if it have any seed. Take out 2 seeds. Okay, 1 more seed here, and this, just remove this seed, okay? Just remove the seed. Can't afford to waste things in these times, not at all. Okay, so I'm gonna put my lemon. Let my lemon stay there. Okay, and I'm gonna start it back again. Let me strain off my, yes, let me strain off my ginger. Look at the ginger and the lemon. Give it a pretty, here goes my ginger juice. My ginger, I'm gonna put it back in the blender. Not 1 time, 2 times. Because watermelon don't need water, okay? But I'm just putting it. I want some thick juice, nice juice. Okay, I'm gonna cut up my watermelon. Not really, no, do nothing.
Keep good enough in there.
Yeah. All right, let me cut up in this container here. You know that the best part on the watermelon is this part here.
Some here.
Very good. Cut it small and get out everything. And it's sweet, you see? Very sweet, yes.
I'm going to drink a glass of this and taste it out nice.
I'm taking out every piece. Yes, sir. Okay, Mitch.
Lots of melon, wifey.
Yes. Here's a melon, a piece of melon yesterday, so look how much you give me. Heavy. Wow. So, guys, that's my watermelon. Pour some of the water because I don't want a lot. You know, melon, you know, by itself, it's good. You can juice melon or blend melon. You don't have to put no water because it has water there. Okay. Right. Yeah. Here goes my first batch. Okay. Okay, I think you're done. Right? This, man. Always fight with this. Wow, and the things a lot in there. Wow, it's rich and pretty.
Of course.
That's the ginger and the lemon. You see it wheeling up hard? Look at it stop. You don't think a lot in there, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, the last little batch. And there is no juice to go with this. I'm gonna make this blend itself. Yeah. Watch, this is so rich.
Yep.
No sugar added.
Don't need, right?
No, this is straight juice. I stop this.
Time to pour now, guys.
Oh, Lord.
Wifey, should I get the next glass, you know, man? I need a drink of that,
rich
wifey.
and nice.
Yes, sir, I need a drink of that.
Okay, I am done. Oh my gosh, look at my juice. It's so rich and nice. I'm telling you, when I'm saying rich and nice, look at my juice.
Looking really good.
Oh my gosh. It is straight juice, man.
Yes,
so I have my thing here to put it in, and I have 2 cups. Look.
Yes,
this
right.
is rich
Really,
juice.
really
Rich,
nice.
rich juice. So let me put it in this. I put it in this because I don't want it to. Oh, that's wonderful. That is wonderful. See here? I'm still gonna have a little bit more leaf. Look. Still gonna have a little bit more leaf. Look. This is amazing. And it's thick and very nice.
Yes, looking really
So I'm gonna
nice.
test it now. This is my finishing look. My big one over there. And my husband and I, we are going to drink now. Okay?
Yes, wifey. This is looking so rich.
Toast.
Toast.
Toast to my subscriber and my viewer. Okay?
Big up,
And
guys.
This is my straight watermelon with a little ginger and 1 lemon. Okay, no sugar added. Okay, refreshing with some ice. So we're going to drink and toast to you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my subscriber and my viewer, for everything and following me this far. Okay, we toast.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers to you. Amazing.
Real rich.
Wow.
Guys, simple but rich.
Wow, amazing. Look at juice nice. Guys, remember to share, subscribe, leave a comments down below. Okay, tell someone. And you know another friend will tell another one. And so it spread. Click the notification bell. And whenever time I do a video, you are the first one to get it. Thank you for your help so far.
Rich guys, this is so good for man.
Bye-bye.
Right? Melon juice.
Good.
Good for man.
Give your blood. Blood.